Good boy. Oh, yes. Good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Good boy. Oh, yes. Good boy.
You and what I'm seeing you do in secret. Y'all, listen. It's not my speaking ability. It's not my degrees. It's not my articulation. It's not my ability to break down passages. I've been in the closet. My boldness before you is because I kneel and lay prostrate in private. So I can be bold before men in public. It's the closet. It's the closet. It's the closet.
Come on, you're tired, Aggie. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Time to get washed up. That's what I said, and you're gonna do it. Let's go. Noah. Come on. So, no, you're tired. You're tired. So, let's go. Get up. You're getting washed up, and then you can lay back down. Don't get on my nerves. Hey! Hey, you! I'm talking to you, Noah. I'm talking to you. Hey! Hello, hello. I'm talking to you. One good thing. If you're not gonna listen, then you're not gonna get things that you're asking for. So, I'm not gonna keep repeating myself. I'm not gonna deal with problems.
Not trying to bother you.
Yeah.
Remember.
I remember. Yeah, I remember. I'll remember the things that you want. I'll remember the things that you're supposed to do.
Also, the day where I go to summer school.
Well, you only get 2 days off. Tomorrow and the next day. You'll be back at it. Yeah, you better enjoy it because once you're out, you're gonna have. Let's see. It's gonna be like the 7th.
Where's Jack?
I don't know. What do you mean? Around? What?
It's behind the blinds.
Okay. Yeah. They gotta still being outside. Obviously. For the time being.
yes. Good boy. Oh, yes. Good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Good boy. Oh, yes. Good boy.